What is 5G? Fifth generation of wireless communication technology. Faster speeds, lower latency, massive device connectivity, enables real-time application and advanced technologies. 5G versus 4G. Speed and latency. 5G is 20x faster 1 minutes per minute. Latency versus 4G is 20 to 15 minutes. Connectivity. 5G connects millions of devices per square kilometer, ideal for energy efficiency. 5G is more efficient supporting smart device. Designed in India, 5G chip facing fund crunch, low commercial uptake. 5G versus fiber optics technology. 5G is wireless, fiber is wired backbone for 5G. Performance both offer high speed, but 5G provides mobility and seamless IoT integration. Mobility. Fiber is fixed. 5G enables connectivity. 5G versus fiber optics. Stand alone 5G as a 5G. Fully independent network with a new 5G core, no reliance on 4G. Offers ultra low latency, high speed data transmission, enhanced connectivity for massive devices, future proof technology, enable 5G deployment, right of way, Ro- rules 2060, simplifies ins- infrastructure setup, fiber, small cells, National Digital Communication Policy (NDCP) 2018 Roadmap for 5G, Spectrum Allocation, 5G Case Development, Smart Cities, etc. Local manufacturing of 5G equipment, applications of 5G, smart cities, real-time monitoring, traffic, altitude, efficient urban management, smart poles, healthcare, telemedicine, remote surgeries, real-time health monitoring, AIMS Delhi pilot, agriculture, precision farming, remote crop monitoring, automated irrigation, industrial automation, Industry 4.0, robotics, automatic machinery, factory, factor communication, application of 5G, education, virtual classrooms, AR learning, remote education, 5G powered AR, VR in Andhra. Transportation, autonomous vehicles, real-time traffic updates, smart logistics, disaster management, real-time communication, data sharing during emergencies, 5G flood monitoring in Kerala, defense and security, enhanced surveillance, secure communication, unmanned systems. Questions with reference to 5G technology, consider the following statements. 1.5G offers higher speed and lower latency compared to 5G, enabling real-time applications like autonomous vehicles and remote surgeries. 2.5G can be used to enhance precision agriculture through real-time monitoring and data analysis. 3. 5G supports advanced industrial automation and smart manufacturing process. Which of the statement given above is or correct? 1, 2, and 3. What is land degradation? Deterioration of land quality and productive. Salinization, reduced soil fertility, loss of vegetation, desertification, erosion. Key characteristics. Cause of land degradation, deforestation, forest removal for agriculture, urbanization or logging. Caused soil erosion in northeast India. Overgrazing. Livestock overgrazing exposed soil caused desertification in Rajasthan's arid areas. Unsustainable agricultural practices. Overuse of fertilizers, pesticides, poor irrigation causes salinization. Causes of land degradation, urbanization and industrialization converts fertile land to urban industrial use. Mining activities causes soil removal, vegetation loss, and habitat destruction. Wind erosion. Wind removes topsoils in arid, semi-arid, Thar deserts face desertification. Natural disaster, floods, drought, and landslides. 2013 Uttarakhand flood landslide, extensive erosion. United Nations Convention to Combat Desertification UNCCD established 1994 under Rio Conventions, legally binding, links environment, development and sustainable and management. India's goal: restore 26 million hectares of degraded land by 2030. Bone challenge. Objectives of UNCCD: combat desertification and mitigate drought effects through National Action Programs (NAPs), promote sustainable and management, improve living conditions in dry lands,